A Chinese-made artificial intelligence AI model called DeepSeek has shot to the top of Apple Store's downloads, stunning investors and sinking some tech stocks. Its latest version was released on 20 January, quickly impressing AI experts before it got the attention of the entire tech industry and the world. US President Donald Trump said it was a wake-up call for us companies who must focus on competing to win. What makes DeepSeek so special is the company's claim that it was built at a fraction of the cost of industry-leading models like OpenAI, because it uses fewer advanced chips. That possibility caused chip-making giant NVIDIA to shed almost $600 billion, 482 billion of its market value on Monday, the biggest one-day loss in US history. DeepSeek also raises questions about Washington's efforts to contain Beijing's push for tech supremacy, given that one of its key restrictions has been a ban on the export of advanced chips to China. Beijing, however, has doubled down, with President Xi Jinping declaring AI a top priority. And startups like DeepSeek are crucial as China pivots from traditional manufacturing such as clothes and furniture to advanced tech chips, electric vehicles, and AI. DeepSeek is the name of a free AI-powered chatbot, which looks, feels, and works very much like ChatGPT. It is reportedly as powerful as OpenAI's O1 model released at the end of last year, in tasks including mathematics and coding. Like many other Chinese AI models by Duzerni or Dubao, by ByteDance, DeepSeek is trained to avoid politically sensitive questions. When the BBC asked the app what happened at Tiananmen Square on 4 June 1989, DeepSeek did not give any details about the massacre, a taboo topic in China. It replied, "I am sorry. I cannot answer that question. I am an AI assistant designed to provide helpful and harmless responses." Chinese government censorship is a huge challenge for its high aspirations internationally, but DeepSeek's base model appears to have been trained via accurate sources while introducing a layer of censorship or withholding certain information via an additional safeguarding layer. DeepSeek's founder reportedly built up a store of NVIDIA A100 chips, which have been banned from export to China since September 2022. Some experts believe this collection, which some estimates put at 50,000, the same day DeepSeek's AI assistant became the most downloaded free app on Apple's App Store in the US. It was hit with large-scale malicious attacks, the company said, causing the company to temporarily limit registrations. Who is behind DeepSeek? DeepSeek was founded in December 2023 by Liang Wenfeng and released its first AI large language model the following year. Not much is known about Liang, who graduated from Zhejiang University with degrees in electronic information engineering and computer science. But he now finds himself in the international spotlight.